Welcome to the world of cloud storage, where convenience meets accessibility. The Smash site stands out with its clean design, making it easy for anyone to navigate. The process to upload and share files is straightforward. One of the key benefits is its strong security protocols that protect your data. However, it's important to note that customer support can be lacking at times, which may frustrate users needing immediate assistance. When it comes to pricing, Smash offers competitive rates that cater to various needs. Whether you're an individual or a business. In the middle of this review, let me mention an amazing opportunity for you. You can buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever. No annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. This is an excellent deal for those looking to maximize their storage capacity without recurring fees. As we continue, let's break down some of the specific features that set Smash apart. The platform allows for large file uploads, making it ideal for creatives and businesses that deal with significant amounts of data. Additionally, its collaborative features let you share files with ease, enhancing teamwork and productivity. Despite its many advantages, users should be aware of some limitations. For instance, while it excels in file sharing, the lack of advanced editing features means you might need additional tools for comprehensive file management. Also, the user feedback indicates that speed can sometimes be an issue, especially during peak hours. All things considered, Smash Cloud Storage offers a solid option for those new to cloud services or anyone needing reliable, secure storage. Its balance of features and price makes it an appealing choice. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you found the information helpful.